on everybody? Bones here with CAJUN RNEWBBQ. Today we're going to do up a test to see which way is the best, or does it make a difference? You see, over on my news break channel, if you're not following me there, you should be. I had a discussion with one of my followers there. He was telling me I should have pulled the membrane. I was trying to tell him, hey look, that membrane was way too thin and scoring it works just fine. So today we're going to do up a test. Not pull the membrane, score the membrane, and pull the membrane. So today we're going to go ahead and test out that theory. We're going to go ahead and use up some S&S competition pork blend, and we're also going to use up their barbecue sauce. If you use my code CAJUN23, you'll save up 15%. I don't make no money off of that. I just like to save you money. So, go ahead and use that code. Alright, apologize in advance for the background noise. People out driving, it's good weather today. It is what it's going to be. Now, I got 3 halves of ribs here. I'm one guy, don't need 3 whole slabs. We've got, this one's going to be the one with membrane. This one's going to be scored. This one is going to lose the back membrane. Let's go ahead and flip this guy over. Go ahead and start scoring it. You want nice deep gouges. It breaks up that connectivity. Do as many or as little as you want. I like to do a lot. Do them in different directions. Alright. Now, we're going to go ahead and flip this guy over. It's got a little bit of chain meat. Go ahead and throw that away in my garbage can. Put that knife off to the side. Grab our butter knife here. Get it up underneath the membrane. Of course, using a bad shoulder, but it is what it is, folks. Get you a paper towel and start pulling. Now, this one does not want to come off. Maybe I should have switched around which one was which. Put that in the garbage can, grab you another paper towel. Get on some yellow mustard. This is going to be our binder. We're going to go ahead and put on some of that S&S competition pork rub. Now, you don't want to get your bottle dirty? Go ahead, put it in a glove. Or get some saran wrap, put it on that. There we go. Now, we're going to go ahead and get that grill up to temp. Today we're using the Oklahoma Joe Highland. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put these on the grill. 1, 2, and 3. Now we will rotate these every hour, so that way they each get equal opportunity where they're placed. Alright, it's been 2 hours. I have been every half an hour spritzing them down with some apple juice. So, you know. We are ready to go. They're looking real good. Alright, so we did the 2 hours on the smoker. They're getting tender. Now we're going to go ahead and do what I do, which is the 90 minutes of where it's wrapped. We're going to do one, and I'm going to do the other two off camera. We're going to do the one where it's the no membrane. So we're going to remove the old toothpick. We're going to put it on its side. We're going to go ahead and grab some apple juice. Just a little bit down. Couple pats of butter. A little bit of brown sugar. Flip it over. Repeat. Some apple juice. Some pats of butter. A little bit of brown sugar. That's it. Now, go ahead and wrap. You go ahead and do a double wrap, just in case a bone pops out. You still got that nice pocket. I got 6 pieces of tin foil here, so I got to make sure I'm not tripling up on it. There we go. Now we will take another toothpick, so we can identify that this is the single one. And there we go. We're going to go ahead and do the rest of these off camera. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put them back on the smoker. We're going to put 3 over here, 2 right here, and we're going to put 1 right here. I will shuffle them around over this 90 minutes so that way they all get nice and happy. It's been 90 minutes. We're going to go ahead and remove them from the heat. If you see me using my hands, don't do what I do. I have neuropathy in the hands. Go look that up, people. Alright, we're going to go ahead and begin that final stage. What I do is 2 hours unwrapped, 90 minutes wrapped, 30 minutes unwrapped, sauce or no sauce. All depends on what you want to do. Today I'm doing sauce. I don't do 3-2-1 method or 2 an hour or whatever. I always do it 2 hours, hour and a half an hour. Trust me, it works. It tastes beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and unwrap number 1, which is the no membrane one. I will do the other 2 off camera. No need to show you all 3. They'll all be done the same way. Just look how beautiful that one is. So, today we're using up Saints and Sinners Kickin' Case. We're going to go ahead and put them back on the grill now. I will touch up this barbecue sauce where the tongs are touching. There we go. Now, half an hour. All right, we are at that half an hour mark. Oh yeah, we looking beautiful. Let's pull all these off and get ready. Alright folks, we at that stage where we're done. Let them rest for a couple minutes so it don't burn my mouth, and we can go ahead now and get ready. So, they look beautiful. Barbecue sauce is set up nicely. So, we're going to go ahead and begin. This one here is the no membrane. Then we've got the scored, and then we've got the membrane. We're going to go ahead and begin with the membrane. This one is going to be a little tricky because I do cut left-handed. I can't cut right-handed, honestly, folks. So let's go ahead and stand this guy up and get us one of the ribs. Oh, it's cutting nicely. There we go. Beautiful. Good little smoke ring on there. Let's go in. Everything was good on the rib. Great seasoning. Great meat. But biting through that membrane was very tough. Got a lot of pull on that membrane. We're going to go now to the scored ribs. God, I wish my shoulder worked better. There we go. Looking good. Very easy to cut through. Let's see if it's bite through. No resistance. And now we're going to go after those no membrane ribs. There we go. Here we go. Very easy. So, in conclusion, the way I'd rank them, no membrane, and then following real close behind it would be scored membrane. So I'd put like no membrane would be a 10. Scored membrane would be like a 9.5. Membrane would be like a 2. That's the way I'd do it. I would not really recommend the membrane ribs, although like I said at the beginning, there are plenty of restaurants, high profile restaurants, that do have membrane ribs and are wildly successful. That's just not my cup of tea. But scored ribs break apart just as well as no membrane ribs. So, you can do it either way. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.